Hello, this is Professor Goat Cheese. This is the Goosey Goat Cheese, Professor.
Hi.
And this is the Lucy Goat Cheese, Professor.
Hello.
They are my assistants, and we are here to taste this wonderful potato chip that I have invented. It is the goat cheese potato chip that accidentally my sister found in some urban area long ago. Probably about 2 weeks now, no?
I think it's about 3.
3 weeks?
3.
Oh, that's okay. What I've done is I've taken the essence of the goat cheeses and I put it in a liquid form and I've injected into these various foods here of the usual, the gummy bears. Ooh, very tasty for the young children.
Those are
would you like one?
No, thank you.
Okay, she's scared already. That's okay. And I have these beautiful goat cheeses, fruity slices. Would you like one?
I think I'm okay.
Okay, she's scared already. That's okay. And here we have is the goat. Oh, this is the delicious the goat cheese. Oh, yeah, it's really good. Would you like one? It's for science, you know. Don't be afraid.
I'll pass.
Have 7, it's free. Okay, well, my sisters now are going to eat one of each of the oh, this one's alive, no? Oh, look.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
That's really good. Excuse me. Okay. Next, Goosey Goat Cheese. Which one is the Goosey Goat Cheese?
cheese, good to go, cheese.
Okay, you're going to have to eat one of these. Oh, it's very good. There you go. Don't be afraid. Okay. How is it? Does it have the goat cheese essence? Okay, she's afraid too. Here you go, your turn now. Oh, don't be afraid. Don't be like your sister. She's scared cat.
I think I'm gonna die.
That's okay. Here, open your mouth. Okay, hi, thank you. Oh, watch out for the hair. Okay, some of the problems we have had is some of the goat cheese has affected the young children and have changed them into various, I wouldn't say creatures, but what is it? Is something wrong? What is that smell? You guys smell that? Well, anyway. Are you okay? Anyway, some of the stuff has changes the children into various things like some are guppies, some are very large fish, some are very large animals. Okay, that's all for now. We're going to call the cops. We'll call you later. Okay, thank you.